Peace is not just a matter among governments, it's a matter among peoples. And if we are talking among peoples, start when the child is 2 years or 3 years or 4 years old. You save not only his life, you save his future. Otherwise, maybe he was in risk not to enjoy it. 5,500 Palestinian children were saved. And many of them would lose their lives if they wouldn't be treated properly. The families know that this is a contribution from heart to heart, to all the needy, to all the helpless, to all the young.
שמי ד"ר מילגלטר, אני עשיתי את הניתוח, והיה עבר יפה מאוד. סגרנו את החזה, הילד יהיה בריא לגמרי. ילד נורמלי.
One should judge it by the profound investment in building a common foundation for the future, and the future will be a future of peace. You know, from time to time, people are asking me, how would you like to be remembered in history? And my answer is, as a man who has saved the life of one child. I can't think of anything more noble and more moving for me as a person than the idea that they took part in saving life of a child.
Children who implanted cochlear implant, they as if you have born them again. You see, it's a new life for them. We concentrate on using speaking as a way to communicate. In order to help the children to be able to integrate them in the community. تفاحة شاطر. فيها نحط فوقها تنتين. عي ناو. عي دو 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 دو. را كم وحدة نحط فوقها؟
It's a very good feelings when and happiness when I heard my daughters talking to me and said, "Mother."
Cooperation program with the Paris Center helped us create the first and only center of excellence in cancer care for adults and for pediatric. We are now serving close to 900 patients a month. And we're now having a whole vision to become a cancer institute for treatment and for research for adults and pediatrics. What we succeeded in this and why people should pay attention to the cooperation between the Paris Center for Peace and between our hospital is that it's a model for empowering the two sides in the conflict to be winners, both of them to be winners, both of them to achieve, and both of them to go to the world and say it is doable when it is equitable.
I have a general dream to get a better medical service in my community, which is really very miserable.
I remember when I was a child, there was a program on the TV. The name of the program was Night Rider. So that man was super for me, and I always dreamed to be like him. I thought as a Palestinian, in order to help my people at that time, it's a good idea to be a doctor in order to help the poor people who cannot come to the major hospitals, and to go to outreach them and to provide them the medical support.
ביום רביעי אנחנו שמנו לו פלאק.
With this training, I would like very much to come back there and to help in treating critical cases coming from all West Bank, because it will save the lives of so many children not able to be transferred to Israeli hospital or to Maqasid Hospital in Jerusalem.
Through the Middle Links Fellowship, we will able to train a lot of pediatric subspecialties to work in our new pediatric hospitals. It saved life of a lot of children. Without this, maybe they died.
I think this project confirms what really I know for a long time, that on the personal level we can get along very well. Israelis and Palestinians can get along.
I'm proud to come here. It's a really place to be proud to be in. It's not something simple. I'm proud to learn from people here the humanitarian part, not only the medical part. Here I am really learning how, as a doctor, as an intensivist, to be a human being.
I hope that there will come a day that we can live in peace as two people.